cucumber means khira. Turnip means saljam. Brinjal means बैगन. Tomato means टमाटर. Pumpkin means कद्दू. Spinach means पालक. Red spinach means लाल साग. French beans means सेम की फली. Lady finger means भिंडी. Drumstick means सहजन. Radish means मूली. Chili means मिर्च. Onion means प्याज. Capsicum means शिमला मिर्च. Broccoli means broccoli. Cauliflower means फूल गोभी. Cabbage means पत्ता गोभी. Coriander means धनिया. Garlic means लहसुन. Mushroom means mushroom. Ginger means अदरक. Pea means मटर. Beetroot means चुकंदर. Thanks for watching.